Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MacBook Air is online and you know your Apple ID. Once connected, open System Settings. It's the hub for iCloud and accounts. Click your name at the top left to enter Apple ID settings. This immediately shows account security options. Make sure two-factor prompts can reach a trusted device or phone number, because the Mac will ask for verification before allowing a password change. Now tap Password and Security to proceed with the update. Once in Password and Security, choose Change Password and the Mac will verify it's you. You'll often enter your Mac user password first. This confirms local authorization. After verification, type your new Apple ID password twice and add a clear, memorable hint if prompted. Make the password strong, 12 or more characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols to reduce guessability. After hitting change, the system updates iCloud across devices signed into this Apple ID. Continue to the final sync steps. After changing the password, the Mac will prompt to update Keychain and re-authenticate services like iCloud and iMessage. Follow those prompts so passwords sync. Make sure other Apple devices receive the new credential. If a device prompts repeatedly, sign out and sign back in using the new password. If you can't verify because you lost access to trusted devices, use Apple's account recovery flow at iForget. Apple, calm or start recovery from another trusted device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.